Go.
So I really love the Gilman workshop process for us, myself and Carolina, just because that gives myself, her, and the student a moment to really get to know our identity as a student and as a person. So the first thing that we really dive into is identity based. What do you look like? Where you're from? What different communities are you a part of? Are you LGBT? What languages do you speak? Are you a non-traditional student? Do you have single father or a single mother, and things of that nature, to really get out the diversity standpoint of what Gilman is looking for in all of their students who are applying for their scholarship. So then after that, after we really get to know each other, and once the student really gets to know themselves just a little bit more, that's when we dive into the story concept, and we figure out where did your love and where did your foundation of this of the location that you're trying to get to, where did that come about? How did you fall in love with this language, with the Spanish and the French and the Czech? What does all of that look like? And then once we get surface level answers, then we dive even deeper into the meaning of what does this all look like for you? What do you want to get out of this experience? And then we dive into the childhood. Did something happen in your childhood? Did you have a Japanese friend that kind of made you fall in love with the Japanese characters and the comics and all of that? Or did you have a brother or sister who went to Paris and brought back some artifacts that you really fell in love with, and now you want to follow up on those artifacts? So we always try to figure out what is your story, because that is really what Gilman is looking for, is everyone's individual story.